The biggest mistake when watering the lawn is shallow watering, meaning we water often but with little water. This way, we get the lawn used to having its roots near the surface, and in case of a heat wave or certain diseases, it will give in very easily. In principle, the lawn should be watered as rarely as possible but abundantly so that the water reaches about 10 to 20 centimeters deep. If there's anything you should take away from this video, it's two very simple things. Never irrigate in the evening or at night, and never water superficially. You need to irrigate during the day, ideally when the sun first hits your lawn, abundantly and very rarely, because we need water deep down, not at the surface. This will make our lawn resistant to diseases, foot traffic, and also to heat waves.